The Pantin Rice Cooker Model 35C is an excellent choice for high-volume kitchens, capable of cooking up to 35 cups of raw rice, which translates to 70 cups when cooked. Built with a durable stainless steel lid and a non-stick aluminum insert, this rice cooker is designed to withstand heavy-duty use and promises long-lasting performance. It features an automatic keep warm function that maintains the rice at an optimal temperature for hours, making it perfect for restaurants and catering services. This versatile rice cooker can handle various types of rice efficiently, ensuring consistent results for diverse culinary needs. The portable design, complete with cool-to-the-touch side handles, makes it easy to transport and store, adding flexibility to any busy kitchen environment. Manufactured by L&T Restaurant Equipment, Inc., this rice cooker combines high efficiency with practicality, making it a great addition to commercial food service settings.